Hi, I'm Faith. I'm a programme facilitator here at Unloc, and today we're celebrating the Accelerate graduation. Lots of young people from across Portsmouth and surrounding areas have come together this evening to celebrate their hard work.
It's been absolutely fantastic to have all these students and parents here this evening. It's been wonderful watching everybody graduate. I am so thrilled. I'm hoping these students will come back to us because they're going to have the time of their life. And great thanks to Unloc as well, our fabulous partners who deliver such a brilliant Accelerate programme.
It was very fun, and I would recommend it for literally anyone. It's a great way to boost your confidence as well if you don't have very high confidence, and the people there are so lovely, and if you need help and you ask them, they'll do literally anything for you.
Congratulations on completing this course and all your achievements. And I think one thing that Unloc have done so well is to put together a course that really gets you to be more confident and more assured about your incredible abilities.
So it's been a wonderful evening seeing the students graduate from the Unloc Accelerate programme. It's a really fabulous programme, and I can't commend Unloc enough for the work they do in Portsmouth, in the region. And it's just really wonderful to see how excited the students are to graduate today.